Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim once again, and today I am going to show you how you can create a TikTok Pixel ID. A TikTok Pixel ID is a unique identification number that TikTok gives you when you create a TikTok Pixel inside of your TikTok Business Manager account. It's used to track user action on your website like purchase, sign up or click, so you can measure well your TikTok ad. So you already know if you have TikTok ID that will be useful for you to grow your business in TikTok ad. Okay, so let's log in your business account. So when you go on business.tiktok.com, then you will see this window, and when you get started you will go on the login page, and when you input your details and log in your account, you will see this dashboard. So this is the TikTok Business Center dashboard. Okay, so when you come in this page, then you have to go on this menu and you have to go event manager account. Also you can check the event manager account is here. So when you click on event manager, then you will see this dashboard. This is actually welcome to event manager. So this is actually the event manager page. Okay, so this is a fresh business manager event manager account, and there is no pixels created in this account. So let me show you how you can create a business account. First of all, go to get started, and of course I will use for web, and after that I will click next, and then you can add your website address here. And this is my demo website address, and this I will click next. If you want, you can skip this page, and you can see here is the some option which is called partner integration. So that's mean for Shopify, eCommerce, Google Tag Manager and more, that is useful for you. But as an expert, I always do recommend to manual setup. Okay, we will use Google Tag Manager for setup TikTok event, but I love to make open my pixels with manual setup. And when setup selected, then click next, and this is the three option how you can create your pixels. Okay, first of all, this is the recommended by TikTok Pixel, and at the same time this will set up the server side as well. So this is very cool, and server side is very much important in nowadays for getting accurate result. Okay, but this is actually built-in server side tracking that actually sometime you will get the mismatched data. So if you want, if you are a startup, then you can use that. But this is the TikTok Pixel. This is will send you only the browser data connection, and this is only the event API. That's mean only server side tracking. So as best practice, I will show you how to set up TikTok Pixel with Google Tag Manager. So that's why I will pick this one, which is TikTok Pixel for web browser. Okay, by selecting this one, I will click the next, and this is the name you have to input. So for me, I will use for demo YouTube channel. Okay, then create, and here you can see this is our base code, and we are seeing our pixel ID inside of this base code. Okay, So if you want, you can copy this and input this in your website head tag section. Okay, then your setup, your pixel will connected through Google Tag Manager, your website. Okay, but also they recommend to see their tutorial. If you don't have experience, then you can see that. Also, you can verify the best setup with their Chrome extension called Pixel Helper. I already installed that. That's why I don't want to use that. Okay, so I have this one already. Okay, so I don't want to do anything right now. That's why I just want to just pick this copy and then next. And you can see enable automatic advanced matching. I just to turn on this one. Improve accuracy event driven, that is automatically event setup. If you want, you can turn on this, then next. And this is launch a event builder. If you have experience with that you can watch that, but I don't want to use that one, so that's why I just want to go to the next page. So next page actually the verification method. So I didn't install my TikTok pixel ID in my website, that's why I don't want to verify anything, I don't want to test anything. So that's actually the finish part. I just want to click on the finish. Okay, so when I clicked on finish, I'm waiting for the log page. Okay, so let's refresh this page and we are able to see our pixel ID is here. Okay, so this is our pixel ID, and if you want to connect with your website, you can easily use this ID for connecting. Okay, so this is the test event, this is diagnostic, and this is the settings. So if you want to install the base code, then you will see this base code also available here. Okay, so I think you already got the idea how you can create the the TikTok pixel ID. And if you found this video very helpful for you, then you can subscribe to my channel, and I will show you in future how to set up TikTok pixel to your e-commerce website. So if you are interested to see that, definitely you should subscribe my channel, then you will get a notification if you also click the bell. Okay, so thank you very much, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.